first of all, what you have to do, first of all, you have to check that is it going to satisfy by real value or imaginary value, right? What you need to do, you need to first check this, is it possibly having real roots or imaginary roots, and for confirming it, what you have to do, you need to check the discriminant value of this. So 2x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0 given, we know that a is 2, b is also 2, c is 1, right? So the corresponding discriminant value of the quadratic as per the format b square minus 4ac. So it will be 2 square minus 4 into 2 into 1. So obviously it is 4 minus 8, that is minus 4, being it is negative. So since discriminant is coming negative, that means it will be satisfied by, that means this implies that it will have imaginary roots, right? It will have imaginary roots. So once a quadratic equation is having imaginary roots, that means as per the concept, therefore this 2x square plus 2x plus 1, that must be positive for x as real number, isn't it? When we will substitute x as real number, because we have already checked the possibility about this quadratic, can it have real roots or not, by observing or checking the discriminant value of the corresponding quadratic, we could say that discriminant is coming negative. That means this quadratic whose discriminant is negative is definitely having solution as imaginary values. So that's why this will be a positive quantity against real x. So now we have been asked to find out the minimum value of that quadratic. So we have come to the, out of all wide range of positive values of against this quadratic, we need to know the minimum value of it. Then how can we do? Then we can simplify, see 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Can we simplify it something like that to make 2x square as a whole square? So I can make it root 2x whole square, isn't it? I can make root 2x whole square such that root 2x is now a, because I have to make first part, the square of x part, I need to make it as something square of a term. So a square means a must be root 2 into x, so whole square of it will be 2x square, plus the middle term I will break it in the form of 2ab. So this will be 2 into a is now, for us a is now root 2x, right? So a will be root 2x. Ultimate value of the middle term need to be 2x, so that's why b must be taken 1 by root 2 such that this root 2 gets cancelled out and it remains as the term value is 2x as the middle term of this quadratic form, right? Are you getting me? Are you all getting this one? Arya, Hana, Sejal, Deban, fine. So I am using 2ab format. So now according to this split, b is coming such as it is 1 by root 2. So I must bring the square of 1 by root 2, which must be 1 by 2, because square of 1 by root 2 will be 1 by 2. So this will match up the format of a plus b whole square. Then 1 was already available there, I have added 1 by 2. So I need to subtract 1 by 2 from the expression, so that the value of the expression remains unchanged even after simplification. So the first part that is under the second bracket, that can be written, it is root 2x plus 1 by root 2 whole square, such that this is a square plus 2ab plus this is b square, isn't it? and the rest part is 1 minus 1 by 2 is plus half. So the given quadratic, which is always positive for x as real value, that is coming like this. So as this is the square of a real part, which is by argument can always be either 0 or positive. So when this one will be 0, the whole expression will become minimum with half. So this expression should be greater than equal to half. So that means the minimum value of our required expression, is just 1 by 2, isn't it? It is just 1 by 2. Is that clear? Are you all okay with this explanation? So is it easy or not? Just you need to fit yourself with the concept, you need to make yourself update with the concept, you should understand the concept properly, and then getting the value of the expression will be easy. Is it okay for all of you? Okay. So note down, we will go to next problem, similar type.